Later, we'll reveal the winner of our amazing Ford Edge car giveaway.
Welcome back, everybody. We are with television host and cookbook author Chadwick Boyd, who's replacing the old chips and dip boring appetizer at all of those brunches or lunches or parties that we go to with something that everyone should have in their life. It's a bacon bar.
That's right.
Wow. Okay, Chadwick. You say that people should be enjoying their bacon from the minute they walk into the party. They're sipping their first cocktail, and they are just perhaps eating some bacon.
We just want everybody to go, oh my God, the moment that they come in the door.
Why are you so passionate about bacon?
You know, I've been eating it for about 45 years.
Oh, so you have experience. I see. You're a pro. So it's all experience.
Yes.
Do you love all kinds of bacon?
All kinds of bacon. You know, we can go to any grocery store, and there are probably about 8 to 12 different kinds of bacon, from extra thick, which is my favorite, to even pork belly now.
Really? I've never heard of pork belly.
And we're going to do it. We have a trick. We're going to do it in the oven, y'all.
Well, before we get to that, I want to get to real food, okay? And I don't mean this real food. I mean the real food that I see in the theaters.
Yes.
This series runs before movies. It's the previews.
So get into your theater seats quick.
Yeah, and it's what, tutorials?
No, it's a cooking show. So we all love cooking shows all over television. So why not bring it to the movie theaters before we watch our trailers and our movies?
And you've actually done a really great job of doing this. It's really cool. If you've not seen this, next time you're at the movie theater, you're going, I know that guy. There's one that's running in the theater right now, and it's you giving a demonstration of your famous biscuits, which are in front of you all right now. Take a look at that. Yeah.
Hey everybody, I'm Chadwick Boyd with Front and Center's Real Food. I'm playing in the kitchen today with a biscuit recipe, getting ready for Biscuit Festival in Knoxville, Tennessee this May. Now you know, biscuits are pretty easy if you just know the basics, and all you need are a few key ingredients: flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and for flavor, black pepper. And a little trick, you want to grate your butter to create that golden buttery goodness we all love in biscuits. Now normally I would add cream or buttermilk, but today I'm going to use Greek yogurt. And I've taken Parmesan cheese and grated on the microplane to create pockets of cheesy goodness.
They're delicious.
Yeah. Really easy to make too.
And I noticed you used Greek yogurt.
Yes,
Is that what's making them so moist?
It's really, for biscuits, they're old school, but let's use modern ingredients that we get at the grocery store today, and everybody's got Greek yogurt. So instead of cream or buttermilk, replace it with Greek yogurt. And I think you said something earlier, it's a little bit healthy.
Yeah, it's a little bit healthy, and it's really moist.
Yeah,
nice.
And really tender. And you know, this has Parmesan cheese, which we've grated on the microplane, so you get these little pockets of cheese in it.
Pockets of heaven is what I call it.
With a little bit of butter, but you can omit that, and this will be a really classic biscuit recipe.
So for the yogurt, do you have to dilute it to get it to the, or is it just one to one?
It's actually less messy to make them, so it's really good for kids in the kitchen.
Oh, wow, that's great.
Okay, Chadwick, so show us how to make your famous bacon.
All right, so my trick is get a rimmed baking sheet, line it with some foil, because we don't want mess here, and insert a wire cooling rack in here, and then put your bacon on top. And we've got our oven preheated at 400 degrees.
Okay, so we're cooking inside.
We are.
How come?
Because it's going to let all the goodness of this right here just kind of seep down through and make it even more amazing for our party.
But will it taste as good as it does on the skillet? I always think it's not going to. What?
Better.
Okay.
This is so
Better
good.
and less mess.
Whatever this was.
Debbie, delicious.
All right, so you help me here.
Okay.
So we've got some honey, some golden honey. So grab that whisk.
Okay.
I'm going to put some sriracha, which pretty much
So we're
everybody
doing
has.
flavored bacon is what you're saying.
A little sweet and a little heat there. Mix it up. And I've got black pepper and some red chili and brown sugar. You just lay this on the cooling rack. All right, grab that now. Grab the spoon, and I want you to drizzle that all over there.
Do you want me to drizzle it with that or this?
No, you pick.
I like this one. This
I'm going
one's
to do
more fancy.
the black pepper.
Oh, yeah.
So you just drizzle it like that?
Yeah.
Mark is in a
You can do that?
I can't. I
And
just
this
take
is
a
one of
class
those recipes
for
that
it.
once you kind of get down, anything that you like, you can add to it. So you can kind of play in the
You
kitchen.
could do herbs or whatever.
Yeah, for
Garlic.
sure.
Oh my God.
And here's some red chili. I like
So
a lot
do you
of
not
heat.
discriminate when it comes to flavors on bacon? I've seen people do chocolate bacon.
Yeah, well, you can dip some chocolate. Actually, I was telling Mark earlier, a friend of mine got married, and they did a bacon bar, and they dipped some bacon in chocolate at the very end for a little sweet and salty.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so what is that? Brown sugar.
Brown sugar, baby.
What about turkey bacon? Do you like
turkey bacon? Is it
Well,
kind
turkey
of gets a
bacon
bad
is
rap.
yeah, it does get a bad rap.
But the trick with turkey bacon is you want to cook it really hot. Because that's what's going to give us the crisp that we all love. Most people serve it, it's like chewy and rubbery, and it's like, why even bother?
Do they serve it? Can you buy a thicker cut of it?
You can. There are some grocery stores that do carry it. And actually, you could go to a butcher and ask them to cut turkey bacon a little more thick.
Oh, that's good to know.
Interesting.
Yes.
So you have to cook it differently, and that's the reason that
Yes,
people
and
don't
that
like it
you
so
would want to
much.
put in the skillet because you want a cast iron skillet. Cook it at medium high and get the skillet really hot, then put it in, and it's going to crisp up really fast. So we're going to put this in the oven for 15.
Chadwick, who taught you this? I got a feeling this came like from grandma.
Look at this.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh, I know, the heavens opened up, and then there was bacon.
And then I got to serve Debbie.
Debbie, you're going to go
Bacon.
Yeah, she is.
It is What is that one?
That's the honey sriracha.
honey
Look at the
sriracha.
color on that one.
It's so delicious. It's unreal. The problem
I'm
with
gonna have to
bacon
join
is there's
you.
never enough.
Here, we'll split this.
What's that one?
This is brown sugar, baby.
The brown sugar one's amazing.
Is it?
Hey, you started a biscuit festival?
This is amazing. What?
So, yes, every third Saturday in Knoxville, 25,000 people come, and biscuit lovers, and we celebrate the iconic Southern food, biscuits. These biscuits do a little trick. Most people cut them with a cutter, but we're going to just cut them with a knife. And there are all kinds of creative biscuits there. I'm choking on the pepper on the bacon.
Do you serve bacon with the biscuits or no?
Absolutely. If I were you and we were hanging out in the kitchen, I'd just break open this biscuit and slather on some honey butter.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, ho.
All diet.
Bring that on
All
over.
fat-free.
And then layer on this biscuit,
And
or
we're
the
gonna
bacon
go
on the
butter.
biscuit. And that is
Oh, my God.
heaven.
I don't know. Right?
Real quick, because I don't know. So you take it off of there. Do you put it on paper towels or like let it drain off?
Well,
or
because
what do you-
this has, usually when we cook bacon, we put it on paper towel to wick away grease. You don't want to do that because this has sugar on it. So put it on wax paper or parchment, and it's not going to stick.
And you only do one side. You don't flip it, do you?
You don't flip it at all.
So you
That's
keep
what
it.
makes it even
Oh,
easier.
Oh, wow.
I cannot believe what I'm eating right now.
Oh,
It is. There's
you know
so
where
much
I feel?
excitement on my taste buds.
I feel so.
I'm going to join you in that excitement here.
I feel so horrible because Orly's got to follow bacon.
Oh my God! Good luck. Well, get ready because I'm going to charm your hats off.